system theory, accident model, and process. This model of accident investigation focuses on why the controls that were in place failed to detect or prevent change that ultimately led to an accident. This method assists in the identifying the factors which contributed to the event and which pointed to their place with a loop and latent system. It also expanded on the barrier and defense analysis to accident prevention and instilled in proactive and life safety performance indication. However, this model does not connect on the core practices of safety data collection and analysis, making it less favorable than even the model took and reason.